All right, we got our 63 here, getting ready to start doing our wiring. Just kind of got everything laid out for it. Got our battery sitting up there, cables, and got all our relays and stuff kind of in place there from running our Holly Sniper. Got wires everywhere. Get everything wired in. We got the digital brain box yet wired in. We got the brakes to wire in. We've got fuels to wire in. We've got the regular wiring harness and the headlights to get wired in so we can light up the skulls to wire in. But we have been making some progress. We got our Wildwood Power Booster set on there. Got our master cylinder set on there. Our brakes are all hooked up. We have our steering components all redone. I've seen the last video there before we'd done that, so that's looks a lot better. Cleaned it all up and everything's all set in place. And we put our MSD box there. It's going to run our Holly Sniper, and we got our dual sync Holly distributor there for it as well, and our 13 belts. And now we're just on to the wiring part of it. So let's get at it, and might be a minute before we come back. All right, let's go from there.